In front of me is Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Then you need to select Clipboard. And now when you know where it is, go back to your standard keyboard by clicking on the same icon at the top left corner. Finally, to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. Click on Clipboard again and paste it by clicking on it and selecting Paste. To delete your sentence, tap on it and choose Delete. And then to go back to your standard keyboard, click on the same icon as before again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!